What's up guys, welcome to another video. This video, just a quick video on probably one of the better screen protector solutions for the new iPad Air, which is like the M1, or not the M1 edition, but the 11-inch edition that came out in 2020. This is the Spigen, and this is the GLAStR Easy Fit. And basically what you're going to get in here is just a screen protector. It's premium tempered glass, easy installation, oleophobic coating, real glass, and it's a 9H on the surface hardness scale. And that's without Viagra. Okay, I'm just kidding. I gotta throw in a joke, right? And then they have an easily installation video that you can go watch and check it out. But we're going to just go ahead and pop this open and check out the contents. This comes with like a guide. It's supposed to be really super easy to install this, and that's, you know, not only are you looking for good protection, you know, also you want to make sure that you're not going to make it like super glossy, where you're actually introducing like maybe even more fingerprint magnet situation. And also you don't want to ruin the experience, especially for the Apple Pencil, or for taking it even like outside. You want to try to reduce the glare and make it more Apple Pencil friendly. And I think this case, or this cover, does all of that, and then some, based on the reviews that I've read. So, and I didn't decide to do this lightly. I did my research before I went out and actually selected the screen protector for me. And I looked at a lot of different ones. There was one that was like a no-name brand. It was made in China. It had 4,000 positive reviews. I almost went with that one, truthfully. But it wasn't an easy install and people were having problems. That was like the #1 complaint with it. So I went ahead and was like, well, I'll go ahead and check this one out. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to have to wipe down the iPad, get this guide right here all set up, and then we'll just apply it after I get all that done. And no see it to you guys watching me actually get this stuff set up. So we'll prep, we'll come back, we'll install it, and then I'll do a quick review of fingerprints, glare, glass, Apple Pencil, all that, and ease of installation. We'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so we've cleaned off the iPad with the alcoholic cleaning cloth, lens cleaner, and then I used the microfiber cloth. I peeled off the back. This is where it's going to say back. And I've laid this down here on this guide, and I've lined up my ports. So now what we do is we flip this over and we do this slide and press. So we're going to flip this over and we're going to line these up again. And I've already peeled the back off, so all we got to do now is line these guides up. Perfect. Okay, so now we're just going to do the press and slide. And you can see it's starting to coat. We're just going to press and slide. Got some bubbles in there, but we'll squeegee them out. Super easy with this guide. Probably hoping for a little less air bubbles, but that's what the squeegee's for. Alright, so now we're going to peel this off. And we've actually installed our protector. And now we're going to use the squeegee to get rid of any of the air bubbles and stuff that were left underneath. And it'll probably take a little bit of work, as you can see. Trying to get these air bubbles squeegeed out. Whoop. Sometimes you just got to be a little more forceful to get them to go out the side. That one almost disappeared. Well, you get the gist. So we'll come back. I'll work on squeegeeing out these air bubbles. We'll come back and we'll take a look at, again, fingerprint tests. We also have the dust removal stickers if we have any dust after we've got it installed to look at, and we'll try to get those taken care of. But I'm going to squeegee these real quick. A little more air bubbles than I was expecting. From the press and slide, maybe I just didn't press and slide hard enough behind the camera, but we'll get these worked out. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so welcome back. Squeegeed a little bit of this, got them down to a smaller size. They will eventually get smaller and smaller and smaller and go away. So we'll run with what I got. I actually got them down to a manageable size. So, what can I say? Easy installation, yes. Fingerprints, not so much. A little bit better, but not a whole lot. You don't gain much. This is still, maybe you can see there. It still doesn't really hide fingerprints all that well. I was hoping for a little bit better fingerprint, proofing it. Apple Pencil, it's about the same. I'm not going to say it improves with the Apple Pencil or not. It's glass on, you're writing on glass. It doesn't make it feel like any different really. So you're not really going to lose anything with the Apple Pencil, but you're not going to gain anything either. Glare wise, again, not a lot of difference. It's glass, it's not anti-glare. I would say you're not going to gain anything on this either with glare. What you're going to gain is protection for your iPad screen. You're not going to scratch it up. That's the whole point of this, is easy installation, good protection with the 9 rating hardness for your iPad screen. I was hoping for some gains though for, like I said, the pencil, the glare, the fingerprints. Just not going to get the gains there. Maybe I'll look at the one that's out there that's a no-name brand from China that's got 4,000 positive reviews and see if that's something that might be better. But until then, if you're interested in probably one of the easiest installations that are out there, the Spigen GLAStR Easy Fit, definitely with the guide, it doesn't get much easier. It even tells you here, look at the guide, that here's your camera, here's your ports, top, you can't get this wrong, right? And you line up the ports. This is the ports, right? Your camera down here, you line this up, especially with the guide that comes with this. Again, it's right here, a little sticky. Press and slide. Again, you're just lining it up. This is the basic concept here. You line up these ports with the guide, and this is the piece that the glass is on. Once you get those lined up, then you just peel it off. Easy peasy. Alright guys, check the show notes. I have a link for the Spigen GLAStR Easy Fit. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the show, and as always guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.